Hey third graders, this is Mrs. Van Dyke here. I miss you guys so much. I know I speak on behalf of the whole third grade team. We all miss you, Mrs. Miyamoto, Mrs. Baston, Miss Kolstad and we miss you guys so much. I hope you're doing well learning from home. Yeah, I just wanted to come on and introduce some can-do opportunities that will be starting. So, very exciting. We're going to start doing our can-dos each day, kind of obviously like we do in class during rotations and centers. We have our must-dos, but then we also have our can-dos. So some of that might include like cursive writing, grammar exercises, math practice, some projects, not hard projects, just little projects that we'll have fun doing together. And let's see what else, writing practice and some reading for AR. You could read maybe to your parents or your siblings or your pets or stuffed animals, I don't know. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. Okay, so why are we going to do can-dos? You might be asking yourself. We have our must-dos, but why do can-dos as well? Well, just like in the classroom, we want to stay sharp. We have to stay sharp. Okay, if we're going to be legacy learners, accelerated achievers, excellent examples, and dedicated doers, we should do our can-dos. Okay, so let's stay sharp. In fact, Ms. Kolstad and I will announce our weekly sharp student for that week. Maybe we'll pick two sharp students who can earn some points, or you'll all be earning points as long as you do your can-dos, but whoever has the most can maybe pick from the treasure box or get extra recess minutes for their class. Or maybe earn points for their table. Okay, so there's a lot of things that you can achieve and earn by doing these can-dos. Okay, so let's do this. It'll be fun. I'm excited. Okay, so how do I get the points? I kind of already said it already, but how do I earn my points? Well, basically, you complete one or more of the can-dos, and then you just post it to Google Classroom, just like you've been doing for all your other work. Take a picture of it, make sure it's clear, make sure we can read it, maybe write a little darker. Sometimes we can see your work, but it's really light, so Ms. Kolstad and I have to squint to see your work, so maybe write a little darker. But yeah, let's say I think I'm going to give like 5 points per can-do, okay? And then at the end of the week, I'll count them all up, I'll keep track of points, and like I said, the 2 students who have the most can-dos, okay, will get those rewards, okay? So let's see if we can complete those can-dos. It's totally doable. I know you guys can do it. It'll be fun. And yeah, I'm excited, and like I said, I can't wait to see you guys. I hope you have fun doing these can-dos, and like I said, I can't wait to see all your faces again. All right? Okay, see you next time. Bye.